Meet Lily, a bright-eyed finance student with big dreams.
From day one, I threw myself into my studies.
Her professors notice her dedication.
Lily is always the first to raise her hand in class.
Lily believes she's found her calling in finance. She aces her introductory finance courses.
I can already picture myself in a corner office on Wall Street.
But Lily's journey is about to take an unexpected turn. It's a hurdle that will test her resolve. Lily's confidence takes a hit in her data science class.
I tried my best to keep up. I spent hours poring over Python tutorials.
She watches her classmates breeze through coding assignments.
Hey Lily, need any help with that code?
Doubt creeps in. Her once stellar grades begin to slip.
Maybe finance isn't for me after all.
But she's not ready to give up on her dream just yet. Little does she know, a solution is just around the corner. Hope comes in an unexpected form, often when we need it the most.
Statssy Training Institute is the answer to Lily. It's been a game changer for me.
Intrigued by her friend's recommendation, Lily dives into research about Statssy Training Institute, eager to find out more.
Could this be the answer I've been looking for? She wonders, feeling a spark of curiosity.
With nothing to lose and everything to gain, Lily signs up for a Statssy Training Institute trial, hoping it will make a difference. She soon learned that she can perform complex financial calculations without coding, saving her valuable time.
With Statssy Training Institute, I can focus on what really matters: financial analysis and strategy, rather than getting bogged down by tedious coding.
As she explores Statssy Training Institute further, Lily's confidence grows. She feels more in control of her financial future. For the first time in weeks, Lily feels hopeful about her future in finance. She sees new opportunities and a clearer path ahead. Mastering finance analytics, Lily's transformation. This is the story of how one determined individual turned her academic and professional life around.
Armed with Statssy Training Institute, I threw myself back into my studies. The learnings made complex data analysis intuitive and accessible, allowing me to grasp concepts I had previously struggled with.
The results were immediate and impressive. Lily's grades improved significantly, and she began to understand the intricacies of financial analytics.
I'm impressed by the depth of your analysis, Lily. Your work is thorough and insightful.
Her classmates were curious about her sudden turnaround. They noticed her newfound confidence and expertise in the subject.
I'm more than happy to share my secret weapon, Statssy Training Institute. It has revolutionized the way I approach data analysis and financial reporting.
She decided to apply for a competitive summer internship at a top investment firm. This was a bold move, but she felt ready for the challenge.
I used teachings to prepare a detailed market analysis as part of my application. The training allowed me to create a comprehensive and professional report.
The hiring managers were blown away by her work. They were particularly impressed by the depth of her analysis and the clarity of her presentation. Lily's hard work paid off when she received an offer letter for the internship. Her journey from struggling student to a sought-after intern was complete. Triumph in the financial world, Lily's bright future. From humble beginnings to a shining star in the finance industry, Lily's journey is nothing short of inspirational.
I remember the frustration and doubt I once felt, the late nights, the endless calculations, and the fear of not measuring up.
She is not just surviving in the world of finance. She is thriving, leading teams, making strategic decisions, and driving success.
Lily, you've become a mentor to other students struggling with data analysis. Your guidance has been invaluable.
She showed them how techniques learned at Statssy Training Institute could level the playing field. By mastering these tools, she empowered others to overcome their challenges.
I'm living proof that you don't need to be a coding expert to succeed in modern finance. It's about understanding the tools and leveraging them effectively.
With multiple job offers in hand, Lily faced a bright future. Her hard work and dedication had paid off. She knew she had the skills to make an impact in the financial world. Her confidence was a testament to her journey. Her story inspired others to think outside the box, to challenge the status quo, and to believe in their potential. Lily's journey is a beacon of hope for many. Her success story is a reminder that with perseverance and the right tools, anyone can achieve greatness. Statssy Training Institute, a premier training institute, teaches advanced statistical analysis to excel in the finance field, making coding an optional skill. Becoming a financial analyst offers numerous advantages over a data analyst. Unlike data analysts, financial analysts do not need programming skills.